Welcome back with me again in this channel. Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows settings not opening or close immediately when you try to open it. Okay, so if you got this error on your Windows 11 laptop or computer, you can follow the steps right here. First, you can right click on the start button in here and then go to the terminal admin. Tap on yes, and here the Windows PowerShell will be open. Now what you need to do is just copy this code. So I'm going to leave this code on the description down below, so you can just copy it if you got this error. So you can just copy the first code in here and enter it in here and tap on enter again. Okay, so after that you can just close this, and then you can just click on start and here restart your device. Okay, so after restarting, when you try to open the Windows settings and it's still not opening, you can try to follow the second step. Again, go to the terminal admin, tap on yes. So here what you need to do is copy the second code if you're using the Windows 11, or the third one if you're using the Windows 10. So let's just copy this, the second one, then paste on the Windows PowerShell, click on enter. Now it will go like this. Just wait until it stops. Okay, so after it stops, you can close this, and now you can try to restart your device again. Okay, after the device is on, you can try to open the Windows settings again. So I hope this will help you, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.